Okay, so welcome back to the third video. Now I hope you guys have learned how to create a new file. In this video we'll be taking a look at how to open that file and how to alter the contents. So again, make sure that the file is saved in the exact same location of where you have the .c file stored. So as you can see, I have the file sample stored in the folder where I have my .c file. Now we'll be trying to open that file. So again, let's connect it to a pointer first. So we'll say fp is equal to fopen and we'll be opening it in read mode for now. So file name is sample.txt. Make sure you do not misspell the name because then it will throw an error saying that the file does not exist. Again, for checking whether the file opening was successful or not, we'll check the condition fp is equal to null. So we'll say the file doesn't exist if the pointer is null, which means that if it does not point anywhere, else printf file opened successfully, right? So now we have opened the file successfully. It should open up because we have the sample.txt file in our folder ready for opening. And now I'll tell you how to read a value from the file. So first let's make a variable for storing the value. So since we have a character in the file, let's make a character variable, and we use the fgetC function for reading the character from the file, right? So for the syntax of the fgetC function is something like this. We write fgetC fp, which specifies which file's character we want to read, and we write the variable equal to. So c is equal to fgetC of fp will read the first a character from the file and assign it to the c's value. So we can now display %c, and we can actually write the value read from the file is, this should be printf not scanf, so it's a printf, and %c, so we need to mention c here, comma c. There we go. This should display the value of the character read from the file. And after we have done everything, we need to close the file, so we'll say fclose fp. Now let's go ahead and see if we get the desired output or not. Since our file contains a, we should get an a as the output on the screen. So there we go, the file opened successfully and the value read from the file is a. So as you can see, we got exactly the output which we desired to. Now let's actually open the file again and we'll try to modify the content. So we'll put /n. Now since we don't need this piece of code, what we can do is we can actually comment it out so that the compiler ignores this piece of code. And now since we have a pointer assigned already, we'll simply go ahead and open the same file. We'll say open sample.txt for the append mode. Right now, as I told you in the first video, that append mode is used to add content to the end of the file. So let me just make it clear for you guys, right? So there we go. This will basically add content to the end of the file. Now we'll try using the fputs function. So we'll say fputs my name is Aquib, right? So let's see if this works or not. And again, we need to mention the file pointer here to tell the compiler which file we are dealing with, and this should do it. We should close the file after everything, right? So this statement, so this piece of code should basically write my name is Aquib on the file. So let's run this and see what we get. Again, we have not checked for any conditions or anything, so we'll not get any output. But let's open up the file and see if there has been any changes in it or not. So as you can see, it has written my name is Aquib after a, which is the append mode, right? So see how cool is that, we are writing stuff in the file without even opening the file, right? So that is the power of C. Alright, so that is how you read a file and how you alter the contents in a file. Now if you want to remove the previous content, you just go ahead and replace the a with w. Run this again and I'll tell you the difference. So again, since we have not used anything, we will not get any output. And now when we open up the file, the a is removed, we get only my name is Aquib. because we opened the file in write mode, which, as I told you, erases all the previous content and starts writing new content from the file, right? So that is how you use the fputtest function and how you read and alter the contents of a file. So that is all about file handling that you guys need to know. Go ahead, challenge your friends to make a file without using the notepad editor, because now you know how you do that. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the last video.